Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how we can find and activate hidden apps. So when I open the Germany, I cannot find here the calendar and the calculator, two apps. But there's one simple thing that you can find it by tapping right here and typing the name of the app that you want to find. So when I type calculator, I got here the calendar and the calculator, so we can still open the tab even when it's hidden from the menu. And if you want to turn them back, you have to go on the home screen, click and hold it, then tap on the settings and then move simply for the hidden apps. It's right here, and then tap on it to turn them back, click done, and as you can see after that, just take a look, the calculator and calendar are here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.